Good morning and welcome to another day of math. Today we're going to be working on finding the sum or difference with kilometers and meters. We're also going to be working with kilograms and grams, liters and milliliters. Let's start with this example first. So we're finding the sum, which means addition, or the difference, which means subtraction. Okay, for this one we are adding, so we're finding the sum. So let's start with one side. Let's start with everything on this side. We have kilometers and we have meters. We want to start by making our units all the same. Okay, so remember, we know that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So to change 430 kilometers to meters, we can multiply 430 by 1,000. Okay. So then we get 430,000 meters, right? So we have 430,000 meters, but we also have 40 meters on this side. So we do 430,000 plus 40. Okay, we'll get rid of this. All right, and we'll add these numbers all up. And we get 430,040 meters. Okay, so that's half of our problem. Now we still need the other side. So we're adding 430 and 40 meters, or 430,040 meters to 16 meters plus 37 meters. And this one should be kilometers. Okay, so our first step is to change 16 kilometers to meters. All right, 16 kilometers. Change it to meters. So again, we'll move this over. Again, we can multiply 16 by 1,000 to find out how many meters that is. So we get 16,000 meters. Okay, but we still have our 37 meters right here. We don't want to forget that. So let's add our 16,000 meters and our 37 meters. Okay, and we get 16,037 meters. Okay, so we found two halves of our problem. Now we need to add, we need to put them together. Okay, so let's add these two up. I like to stack them so that I can make sure everything is in the right place value. So we have 430,040 meters, and we have 16,037 meters. Put them together, bring down our units, which is our meters. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 0 and 0 is 0. Let's bring down our comma. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And 4 plus 0 equals 4. So we get 446,077 meters. Okay, so there's a lot of steps to this problem. First, we have to change everything to the same unit. We changed it all to meters on both sides. And then we added everything together. All right, so let's try doing grams now. So we worked with meters. Let's work with grams. Okay, so we will do 24 kilograms, 31 grams, minus, so we're finding the difference this time, 21 kilograms and 82 grams. Okay, so let's take it one side at a time. Starting with this side, let's change everything to grams. Okay, so we know that there are 1,000 grams for every kilogram. Okay, so a kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. All right, we'll keep that in mind. So to change 24 kilograms to grams, we need to multiply 24 by 1,000. Okay, and we get 24,000 grams. Right, but then we still have our 31 grams, so let's put them together. 24,000 grams, 31 grams. That gives us, we'll bring down our unit, 1, 3, 0, 4, and 2. So we get 24,031 grams. Okay, so that's our first half of the problem. Now let's work on this side. So we have 21 kilograms, 82 grams. Let's turn it all into grams. So first, to turn 21 kilograms into grams, we need to multiply 21 by 1,000. Okay, and we get 21,000 grams. Okay, now don't forget our 82 grams. So let's put those together. 21,000 grams and 82 grams. Together, it equals 21,082 grams. All right, so we have both halves, but we're not done. We still need to subtract. Okay, so for the first part, we got 24,031 grams. And we are subtracting our second part, which was 21,082 grams. Okay. We are going to need to do some borrowing. We'll bring our units down first, but then can we take 2 from 1? No, so we need to borrow from our neighbor. Turn our 3 into a 2. Now we have 11 minus 2 equals 9. Again, we can't take 8 from 2. So we go to our neighbor. We can't take away anything from 0, so let's go over one more. Turn our 4 into a 3. Okay, now we can take 1 from the 10, make it a 9. And finally, we have 12 minus 8 equals 4. 9 minus 0 equals 9. Bring down our comma. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 2 minus 2 is nothing. So, put this here. We are left with 2,949 grams. Okay. The last thing we will be working with is liters and milliliters. So it is the same idea. We will be finding the sum or the difference, but with liters and milliliters. Okay, so let's start with 99 liters and 80 milliliters plus, so we're finding the sum, plus 4,999 milliliters. Okay, so remember, there are 1,000 milliliters in every liter. Okay, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So let's turn everything to milliliters. So we'll change our 99 liters to milliliters by multiplying 99 by 1,000. And we get 99,000 milliliters. Okay, now let's not forget our 80 milliliters. So 99,000 milliliters plus 80 milliliters. Okay, we'll bring down our units, add everything up. Okay, so for this side, we get 99,080 milliliters. Okay, now this side, it's already in milliliters, right? So we don't have to change anything here. We just need to now find the sum. So let's add what we got for this side to this side. So we have 99,080 milliliters plus 4,999 milliliters. Okay, we'll add them together, bring down our units. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10 again, plus 4, 14. And 9 plus 1 equals 10. So all together, by turning each side to milliliters and then adding together, we get 104,079 milliliters. Okay, so now it is your turn to try the practice problems on your own. Just remember our rule. Kilo always turns to 1,000, always equals 1,000 meters, okay? 1,000 meters equal to 1 kilometer, okay? You can do the same thing if you're working with liters. Same thing if you're working with grams. Okay, we will see you very soon.